have received several emails from our Twitter and Facebook friends to make a video on Bermuda Triangle. There are already several videos online on this topic. However, we will try to provide our version of the story. If you want us to make a video on any of your favorite topic, then please send us an email at theoryeverything@gmail.com. December 5th, 1945, 5 torpedo bomber planes were flying over the Atlantic Ocean when they lost contact with the United States Navy. They sent a crew of 13 members in a flying boat called PBM Marina in search of them. However, neither the bomber planes nor the flying boat were ever seen again. This was not the first time that any plane or ship has disappeared in this Atlantic region. Over a period of time, the part of ocean which stretches from Florida in the west, Puerto Rico in the south to Bermuda in the north came to be known as Bermuda Triangle or Devil's Triangle. The mystery of this place dates back to centuries. According to a legend, Christopher Columbus was on a voyage to America. He was passing through the Bermuda Triangle when he witnessed strange lights in the sky. His compass also malfunctioned and he noted abnormal behavior in the ocean as well. He or his ship did not disappear though. There was another infamous incident which happened in 1918 when a cargo ship carrying 300 men sank in this region. Critics say that ship was probably overloaded with tons of material in it or might have sank by other enemy ships as US was involved in World War I during that time. However, no one knows exact reason till date. Let us try to find out possible reasons for these disappearances which may or may not make sense to us. Aliens. Some people say that they have seen a lot of UFOs in this region and they believe that extraterrestrials are abducting anything which passes through this region. Lost city of Atlantis. Some researchers have claimed that they have found a submerged rock formation in this region known as Bimini Road, which has connection to the lost city of Atlantis. There are still active crystal powers beneath the ocean, which is causing the disappearances. Methane hydrates. This is a form of a natural gas which supposedly decreases the density of the water. According to some scientists, there are deposits of methane hydrates in Bermuda Triangle, which may have caused the ships to sink. Cyclones. This region has extreme volatile waters and also witness cyclones on a regular basis due to the creation of low pressure belt along with high humidity. Human errors. Large section of people also believe that people handling the ships or planes may not have enough experience or expertise to operate in such low atmospheric area, thus causing accidents. Critics believe that the legend of Bermuda Triangle has been exaggerated for no reason. However, no one is still able to figure out the real reason for the disappearances. Do let us know what you think about this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such amazing stories.